There's two mid. One of them's on 6.
Bro. Okay, what the fuck?
I got her below mid. There's one top. I'm going to the outlet.
He's low. Nice.
Is there a guy alive somewhere? Oh man. I have more support stuff. Oh, they're just all boxing. I had 3 1 on this game and all of them had done.
I'm gonna go right diamonds.
Yeah, there's a guy on mid right now. I died to 100 top to him, what I would say. They're double switch walking. No, yeah, they're going early. I shouldn't just went up there. I'd like to stay back. That's fine, they're gone anyway.
One's going to lobby. One AK right. Go tower right, go tower right.
Making a bridge to their other
Oh,
diamond.
he fell.
I'm sawing through him. Where's Foden?
He died.
Oh.
Can someone get the M's?
Did so much.
We have bridges to both their diamonds.
Yeah, we're one off of sharp because both of them. There'll be one top.
I got 100 to 4.
Oh, my fireball just. Okay, Foden's gonna be top again.
The only. We're good. We're good.
I did damage.
In top. What the fuck? Doing top.
3 top.
Okay,
You could. Okay, like go right. More support. Go back and go right. Yeah,
do we get any M's?
we have 6 and 5. Let's start dying.
Okay, to top.
Killed 3. I died.
One solo mid.
1v1 mid. 1v1 mid. My god, this guy's KB is so fucked, bro. Like, how? How does he go straight up?
Sorry base, wanted y'all help. Nice yellow.
Ping pong. How far above the right level? We're in combo. Right there. Alright. We get more ends. I'm using on them. I'll fireball him. Yeah, I'm sure.
What's the line low mid?
Oh, I fucking
Let's
nice
miss
one.
gun.
Here. I like
Bridging to you, Ruby.
here, come back.
I just walked off. Fuck.
Go right. Let's go. Okay. Now we just came back to the left as well. Alright, take it.
Are we going to get reach? Robber.
Dude, no.
Wow. My face is all on. They're fucking happy. I got one tap by Happy Luigi, bro. We got top. Oh. Right. Oh, that would be not good. There, walk off. Photo's still on top of it. Don't get her right on one of our diamonds.
Hey, Barbara. Oh, nice Barbara.
I'll still get those diamonds.
I will get
What?
helium. I will get.
Okay. Can you drop one? Okay, wait, actually we can skip. We can
Yeah,
skip.
we
Maybe
can
level
skip.
two. We are both skip though. There's just two people on there.
They're going to both of our diamonds.
Oh, fuck, I died.
I probably won't be able
One
to
just
get them.
died.
Thanks, this guy takes a lot of fucking crazy. We're so close. Ruby, you can like. I might forget. When you die, you can. Here, Ruby, you should end this.
Yep.
Photo has end this stuff on him. Put him with end this stuff. I'm just gonna assume Humvee has end this stuff. Put Humvee. I think we should photo skip. You guys have photo skip. Here's 3 base, 1 top.
Moral DCM. Yeah, yeah.
Hey,
There,
we
babe.
see photo.